Almost everything.
Hey guys, Dan is Almost Everything 84, and today I have a review of the Neo 120, which is made by Luxe Bidet. That's what it is, bidet. So I hooked this up to my toilet just now, and just so you can get a little bit of the control panel here that hangs off the side. It has a self-washing thing where it kind of washes the nozzle, just easy, and then you have different spray settings. Now, one of the things that you'll need to keep in mind when installing, which I had to run out to Lowe's and to grab, is your water connection coming from, your domestic area to the bottom of the tank, and I'll show you.
So your toilet may vary, but I had one of these coming from my connection. I didn't have a braided hose. I just had like a straight pipe going right to the bottom of the bowl. So I just ran out, and I tried to use a shorter braid, but I ended up going with a 12-inch because it just wouldn't fit right, and you could see I kind of had to do like a loop to go up. Then they give you another braided hose from the unit, and they give you that sort of T-valve kind of thing there to replace whatever you had. I'm still adjusting for leaks. There is a little bit of water coming out from, I think, right from the top here. I know it's hard to see under here. That's leaking down. I wish the thing wasn't plastic. I guess that's what they have to use, but that connection that's up there, over time, it's definitely going to crack. Something's going to happen from all the torque on it and all the connections on it, but just got to keep an eye on it. Or, find something else, maybe brass or copper, something that you could find to put in there. But for now, it's okay. I'm just going to put maybe a little piece of towel under there and see how much collects. Like you can already feel that there's some water there. So we'll have to work on that. But as far as the unit works, and I kind of already had a weird setup. I have a heated seat already. So, I had to fit it under this. So mine doesn't, you can see the gap here, like the rear of the seat doesn't touch, but the front does. The unit's in there. I'll put it on self-wash. That's the nozzle cleaning. And then the actual bidet, you turn that back up. This thing's just probably going to squirt the camera in 2 seconds. That's why I have a waterproof phone. So comes out really quick. You got to be sitting on it. And the other thing is, it comes. You got to move around on the toilet. It's not like it self-adjusts or you have a remote to move this thing around. So figure out your own body there. But other than that, it works pretty well. We'll see how, from a durability test, how long it lasts. And like I said, I gotta tighten up the connections. It does come with some plumber's tape, which I didn't really use. I probably could retrace my steps there and do that on the threads, but it took about, it's a 10-minute install, if that. Just taking off your seat, throwing this thing on under it, putting the seat back over it, and then just making the connection adjustments. But make sure you have the right hose. And you might need a longer stainless steel flexible hose like I was talking about than the one that's on there if you have that. Anyway, hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.